Hello, everyone. I want to thank you for enjoying Shadowhawk Cryptids YouTube channel and Shadowhawk Cryptids and Strange Encounters Facebook group. Today, I want to talk about this little legend that has gone around a little hometown where I graduated high school and grew up there. It's a town, I'd say about maybe, I wouldn't say maybe over 1,250 people today. It's a very small town. It's Konawa, Oklahoma, and that I always said when you're in Konawa, right in the middle of downtown, you're still in the country, and it's true. Uh, I just want to talk about there's several little legends. Of course, every town has their legends, but there's a particular legend in Konawa, Oklahoma, in the cemetery where we refer to it as Sacred Heart Cemetery. It's just west of Caldwell and 39, Highway 39. I'd say it was probably about 4 miles from where I actually grew up, just north of Caldwell. But let me go ahead and see. This is on the WordPress.com website, and the legend is the story about the tombstone that has the epitaph that says "Murdered by Human Wolves." It's a local legend. Well, it's not a legend. It's an actual fact, and I'm going to post some slides here along with this thing here that I want to tell you about. Now, this "Murdered by Human Wolves," this article was published November 19th, 2019. And it goes as follows. Within the grass of Konawa Cemetery, Konawa, Oklahoma, the grave of Catherine Cross is most memorable for the epitaph "Murdered by Human Wolves." In a continuation of her sad story, the gravestone was actually stolen in 2016. Her gravestone was engraved with an arch, open gates, and a star. The arch is a symbol of triumph and victory in death. It also represents being joined with a partner in heaven. The open gates symbolizes the soul entering heaven. The star piercing the darkness symbolizes the spirit overcoming evil and rising to heaven. There are many legends surrounding her death, including a fictional account in a novel written by Stephen E. Waddell, which does kind of, it goes kind of haywire. It gets people really into the werewolf part of this story, which it's actually not true. So this story is not really as mysterious as it seems to be. The facts here with Catherine was she was the firstborn child of Tim to John Taylor Cross and his wife Mary Catherine Dale Cross. It's Diehl. I want to say. I hope I'm not mispronouncing that, which I probably am. Okay, let's see. Catherine Dale it says she was, I guess she passed on March 13th of 1899, October 10th of 1917. An arrest and charge of first-degree murder was made against Dr. Yates of Konawa, a physician, for performing what was believed to be a botched abortion on Catherine, who was 3 months pregnant. The father of the child was Fred O'Neill, and married principal of the then Vamusa School. And I will post in this slide a little article about this doctor getting arrested and charged. And So basically, what it boils down to is the epitaph that was carved on that tombstone, "Murdered by human wolves," is basically in reference to the doctors doing a butcher job on that girl and basically killing her and butchering her up. And so it is a fitting epitaph. As strange as it sounds, it is that book that was written by that gentleman, Stephen or whatever his name was. If you look at the reviews, you get people talk about werewolves. He turns it to where it's very, very, very fictional. But that's it. So thank you for tuning in to Shadowhawk Cryptids, and you can contact Shadowhawk Cryptids at Shadowhawk44 at yahoo.com or shadowhawkcryptids at gmail.com. If you have a report and you'd like me to narrate it, feel free to send it in. It can be discreet. Don't have to have any names. If you do want to use your name, that's your choice. If you want to narrate it yourself, I'm working on getting something together to where maybe I can do something like that if this works out the way it's supposed to. So, again, thank you for tuning in to Shadowhawk Cryptids. Have a good day. Bye-bye.